To start learning, just subscribe to our channel and access our free English lessons. Our lessons will help you communicate confidently in the most common professional situations.
Shoot yourself in the foot. Here's an example. Natalie's interview was going well until she shot herself in the foot. Which of these definitions matches the expression? Is it A, to accidentally reveal a secret in front of others? Is it B, to say or do something which causes yourself problems? Or is it C, to be so nervous you are unable to speak? The correct answer is B, to say or do something which causes yourself problems. So to shoot yourself in the foot means to sabotage yourself or to make a silly mistake that harms your chances of success. Here's another example.
This project should have been completed by now. What's taking so long?
We shot ourselves in the foot by firing the project manager. She had more expertise than anyone else in the company.
Listen and repeat. Shoot yourself in the foot.
Thanks for watching. To carry on learning business English, hit subscribe and turn on notifications and take our latest free lessons.